In this review, we will be discussing in detail about the best air fryers available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best air fryers, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Air Fryers. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. 3-minute preheat, quicker than traditional ovens. 4 quarts capacity, fits 2 pounds of french fries. Basket air fryer design is easier to use than a pressure cooker air fryer. Wide temperature range, it includes multi-layer rack, programmable cooking functions, dishwasher safe parts, wide temperature range, 4 quarts ceramic coated non-stick basket for programmable cooking functions, dishwasher safe parts, one-touch control panel. Cook healthy foods. Number 4. Cosori Max XL Air Fryer. Large capacity with a low profile. Shake and keep warm function. 11 one-touch preset functions. 5.8 quart capacity. Digital touchscreen. Adjustable temperature up to 400 degrees. Go 60-minute timer. Automatic shutoff with ready signal. Keep warm function. 11 preset cooking programs with shape reminder. On-off power button. Dishwasher safe parts available in black, red or white. Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. Small footprint. Outer housing stays cool even while cooking. Has an auto shut-off feature. Comes in a variety of colors. Baskets are dishwasher safe. Available in a range of colors, great for chicken wings. Number 2. Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. Pre-programmed recipes. Removable non-stick coated basket. Dishwasher safe parts. Faster cooking times. One-touch LED panel. Detachable basket. 100 original recipes. Automatic shut-off plus keep warm function. Internal temperature. Cooking time remaining. Manual adjusters. Start or pause a cooking cycle, faster cooking times and safer than conventional deep oil fryers. Requires less oil to cook, which means healthier and lower fat meals. Dishwasher safe. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 10 quart Air Fryer. 7-in-1 so you can air fry, roast, boil, bake, reheat, dehydrate and rotisserie. 6 customizable programs for one-touch rotisserie style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies and more. Adjustable temperature ranges from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to use touchscreen and bright display. Little to no preheating time. From frozen to golden in minutes. Rotisserie feature for perfect self-basting and tumble frying. Cook 6+ portions.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.